Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 3-liter turbo diesel Duramax engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as 2-inch lift, as well as trailer tow package, integrated brake controller, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all-black doors with lots of extra paneling and cup holder storage on the bottom, accompanied with the speakers. Comes up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and power windows with the chrome accent handle. And you're going to have the 40-20-40 bench split seat with the driver adjustable lumbar. Very comfortable. Left side, you're going to have your trailering mode as well as your 2- and 4-wheel drive and your lighting controls. And onto the steering wheel on the left side, you're going to have your cruise control and your forward collision alert. Unfortunately, that's pretty much it. Nothing behind. Classic odometer, very basic. You can access pretty much all of your vehicle information from trip 1, trip 2, as well as your fuel range, tire pressure, air filter life, and other information, including your DEF fluid, and pretty much, yeah. Push to start, you're gonna have the classic truck shifter as well. And down below, you're gonna have your climate controls here, lane keep assist, auto stop, as well as your rear lift gate control and your hill descent control. And down below, you're gonna have 2 USB ports, as well as a 12-volt DC port and an AC wall charger. And right above, onto the infotainment system. Like I said, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, with also built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and OnStar navigation and services. You can also access your rear camera with hitch guidance as well. Of course, with the bench split seat, lots of extra storage on top of the seat, cup holder, center console storage. Lift up the seat. You're gonna have storage under the seat as well. Put the seat back down, find the tab, pull it, goes right down. Passenger side, manual adjustable. Same finish across the door with the chrome accent, double glove box up top, storage above the infotainment system, speakers on each side, as well as you can access your reading lamps and your OnStar services and your SOS. We're going to these blacked out 18-inch alloy wheels. We're going to get a Goodyear Wrangler terrain tires. We're going to reset symbol and badging as well as your Duramax, the hood scoop, the black plastic mirror caps and door handles as well. We're going to be Trail Boss badging in the back, with the corner step bumper and the dual chrome tip exhaust, as well as your trailer hitch and your fifth wheel just under with the easy lift tailgate. You're going to have 2 LED lamps on the side, as well as an AC wall charger with 12 bed tie downs. It's a very spacious rear. We're moving on to the rear. More paneling and cup holder storage, accompanied by the speakers again. Comes up here to the power windows, the chrome accent handle once more. Pop in, lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's seat with rear ventilation and USB ports as well. Unfortunately, no cup holder and armrest, but you're gonna have storage under the seats, lamps up top, and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 3-liter turbo diesel Duramax engine, as well as a 2-inch lift, all-terrain tires, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, tow hooks, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.